What is the digital gold token? A native token on the Cardano blockchain, the digital gold token was originally created to serve as an energy-efficient replacement for Bitcoin. But due to the vast power of the Cardano blockchain and the strength of the digital gold community, it has grown into something much more. At its core, it is still a peer-to-peer transactional system. The digital gold token will also serve as the foundational element of a token ecosystem with a virtual mining operation that governs and powers a digital marketplace, as well as a social, economic, and gaming metaverse interface. These applications aim to make the acquisition and use of crypto simple and easy. The Digiverse, digital marketplace, will be the 3D Amazon of digital assets in the metaverse and online. The Digiverse dashboard metaverse interface will make crypto and the metaverse approachable and accessible for all. And this on a blockchain that soon will be not only highly interoperable, but also safe, secure, scalable, and metaverse ready. Come say hello at www.thedigitalgoldtoken.com.